In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ClickUp free version sign up 2025. By the end, you'll have a brand new ClickUp account on the free plan and be ready to start organizing projects in minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp. Before you click anything, make sure you're going to the official site at clickup.com. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and avoid any suspicious lookalike links. This helps you steer clear of phishing pages and ensures you're signing up in the right place. Once you're on the ClickUp website, find and click the button that says Get Started. It's free. The wording may vary slightly depending on your region, but it will be prominent near the top of the page or centered in the Hero section. On the free plan, there's no credit card required, so you can explore the platform without commitment. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Use an address you can access right away, since you may receive a confirmation or onboarding messages. If you plan to collaborate with co-workers, consider using your work email so your future workspace is tied to the right domain. Keep your browser window open during this step so you don't miss any prompts that appear after you continue. You'll also see the option to continue with a provider such as Google. If you choose that route, click your account from the list and grant permission to proceed. This single sign-on option is convenient and reduces the number of passwords you need to manage. If you prefer the email route, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue securely. After that, ClickUp walks you through a quick setup. You can add your name, set a workspace name, and indicate team size or role. These choices help ClickUp tailor recommendations like templates and default views. Feel free to skip anything you're unsure about. You can always adjust settings later. If you're prompted to invite teammates or import tasks from another tool, you can do it now or return to it once you're familiar with the interface. Take a moment to confirm your time zone and notification preferences so reminders arrive when you expect them. That's it. You searched for ClickUp, clicked Get Started, entered your email or selected your credentials and completed the guided setup. Bookmark app.clickup.com for quick access and you're ready to start planning your next project on the free plan.